Hey y'all, I got a package from my girl Bebellacreations here on TikTok. Let's see what I got. Wow, look at these custom coasters. Oh my goodness, pink is my favorite color and it's so sparkly. Check out this bling wine tumbler. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I got the pink bling dominoes from Epoxy. So pretty. Got a C keychain for my name, Christina. Love it. Check out these bling pins. I love that pink bling pin. And check out the epoxy pin with the glitter. She threw in a little nail file because you know I like to do my nails. And let's see what's in this hog box. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. My name is on it. Animal print, glitter sparkly. This is beautiful. I love this. She has her logo at the bottom. Check her out, Bebellacreations. It's my girl. She's also a moderator on my channel. She also made me a resin topper. Please go check out her page, Bebellacreations, here on TikTok. Thank you, Bebella.